Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook white rice in a rice cooker. First, select your preferred type of white rice, such as jasmine or basmati. Measure out your desired amount of rice, perhaps 1 or 2 cups, using the cup that came with your appliance. Place the measured rice into a fine mesh sieve or a bowl, then rinse it under cool running water. Continue rinsing and gently agitating the grains until the water runs mostly clear, which typically takes about 2 to 3 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving distinct, fluffy grains of rice. Once your rice is thoroughly rinsed, transfer it into the inner pot of your rice cooker. Now, it is time to add the correct amount of water. For most types of white rice, including long grain and medium grain varieties, a simple 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water works perfectly. So, if you use 2 cups of rice, add exactly 2 cups of water. You can often align the water level with the markings inside the pot, which helps ensure precision. Proper measurement guarantees delicious, consistent results every time. After adding your perfectly measured rice and water, carefully place the inner pot into the main body of the rice cooker. Make sure it is seated securely and level, then firmly close the lid. Plug in your appliance and select the white rice or cook setting on the control panel. Most rice cookers will automatically begin the cooking process once the setting is chosen. You will notice an indicator light illuminating, signaling that the cooker is now actively working to prepare your meal. It is important to let the cooker do its job uninterrupted. The rice cooker will efficiently bring the water to a boil, then maintain a consistent temperature to cook the grains. It senses when all the water has been absorbed by the rice. At this point, the cooker will automatically switch from the cook setting to the keep warm setting, and a different indicator light will illuminate. Allow the rice to rest on this keep warm setting for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial resting period finishes the cooking process and allows the grains to firm up, preventing any mushy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.